Welcome!
Hello everyone.
Hi.
Tonight we're going to make some lasagna.
And we are going to make a recipe we have made before, but we are going to attempt a slightly healthier, very slightly healthier
Let's get
version.
started.
All right, let's go.
You will need 1 box of spinach, 2 jars of sauce, 2 bags of shredded mozzarella, 1 quart of ricotta, and 1 box of pasta.
Preheat the oven to 350 and grab yourself a large pot and a 13x9 baking pan.
Make sure you add oil to your boiling water so your noodles don't stick together.
You're going to want to go ahead and coat the bottom of your pan with a layer of tomato sauce to get started.
We are also adding some vodka sauce too, because last time I tried it and it is delicious. Step 2, add your first layer of noodles.
I always struggle with this part. Matthew is going to help me.
Spread the ricotta on and make a nice even layer. Then add a layer of mozzarella cheese. Repeat these layers: spinach, mozzarella, ricotta, and sauce.
We made 4 layers using these ingredients. Feel free to improvise with what you have.
Don't forget, always end your lasagna with cheese.
Into the oven for a half an hour, and we will see you later.
Hi. Cook well.
While we wait for the lasagna to cook, we just want to take a minute to explain what's different between a regular lasagna and this lasagna.
So, we added a layer of spinach where we could have added a layer of pasta. It's delicious with pasta. It's also delicious with spinach. We also added some vodka sauce into our mixture with tomato sauce, which I think it tastes a lot creamier, and I love vodka sauce.
We've just done this with spinach, cheese, and the pasta. You could do this with ground beef like a more traditional lasagna, or even a more traditional veggie lasagna would have like eggplant or perhaps some peppers in there.
That's a great idea.
So this is just a pretty simple lasagna.
Really
Pretty quick
easy.
to prepare, and it sits in the oven for a half hour, and see it in a minute.
Yeah, or like 30.
It's like a pretty good lasagna to me.
Yummy.
Alright.
All right, so this I made for meal prep for my week, but since you have to know how it tastes, I'm gonna have a bite now. All right. So delicious. I'm just gonna eat all of this right now. Want some?